Yes, Vikas, please.
Thank you so much, Kanak. So it has been a fantastic session. And today's your story, what you said, CA final, etc. So similar things happened with me, but finally I cracked. So then I am also a lawyer and I MBA by profession, and I've been teaching in MBA colleges for 18 years. So your story was too inspiring. But overall, if I see the flow, so I just joined this session to engage for the last 10 days in this lockdown. But trust you me, uh, I am just feeling that if I would not have joined this, I would have really missed. And the way I have utilized my 10 days, I have talked to my HNI clients and talked about various, and trust you me, after this Franklin fiasco, I used all the 6 indicators and it has helped me to talk with them. Today, I had 3 calls in Philippines, London, and US, and I use all the 6 ratios as a brush up of my knowledge. So I thank you from the core of my heart. It has actually added, and the timing has been like killing. And this Franklin fiasco and your things, actually, we could manage it well, and everything has been fantastically done. I'm truly thankful to the organizers, to the host. And yesterday, that Mrs. Jain's session was also very good, and she touched all Rhonda Byrne's secret magic and what. And so I just sum it up. So the way I look at it is Sukheshu Dukheshu Mehtam Ek Roop Tate Sajjana. So add on to that secret. So what you sow, what you reap. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Delightful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vikas. It was really nice, and I hope we keep the commitment and we continue to remain connected. Okay. Yeah. Adi. Adi,
Hi,
you are there.
actually, it's my Adi is my screen name. It's a wonderful experience to be engaged for this lockdown period of 10 days. और जो volatility game का जो tools आपने बनाया है, that is, those are really wonderful. And yes, we will use it in next 30 days, and we will try to create mastery or like better use of that. Thank you. It was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you, Adi. Thank you so much. Next is Venkatesh. Venkatesh.
Good evening, everybody. Am I audible and visible?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for this session. It was exhilarating, thought-provoking. I will have to tell you something. I'm not in India.
Oh.
Can you see the backdrop of the picture mountain? It is Mount Fuji. I live in Japan.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, so I've been joining this session right now. I'm 3.5 hours ahead of you people. I enjoyed this session every day.
Wow.
And I used to finish my office work, getting up early so that, this doesn't come in between your sessions. Initially, I was a little skeptical. I don't know what was going on, but, after one day, I really got sucked into the whole program. And I really enjoyed every single moment of this whole session. I think there's a lot to learn for us also personally, and also pass it on to others. And I wish everyone a good success in this program. And thank you, Kanakji, for the wonderful session.
Thank you very much. So I was not aware that, but again, we have people from Muscat, UAE, and also from Japan. Which city you are from?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Okay, Tokyo.
Yeah.
Great to have that. So we were only thinking that this is national, but it is international too.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Look forward to have you in our programs when we have it in India.
Sure,
maybe
sure,
conference
sure.
or something. Good.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
Next is Sachin. Sachin.
I'm audible?
Yes, Sachin.
Yeah, thank you, Kanak. Thank you so much. Full journey from last 8 days. I've been in profession in this last 15 years, and also I'm a trainer here in Pune. Right. This is a one thing for last 8 days, and I learned 2 things, like how to conduct the program on one. Number 2, I learned a little bit on technical analysis, and thank you for the fundamental analysis one. And looking forward to to next step, the next program for this course. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good. We really look forward to many of you to actually take RVCC and few diploma courses which we are coming with universities to take them to students and maybe many, many more people. So we can connect. I think that's the next thing which has to be done. Okay, thank you so much. Next is Vikas Kadam. Vikas, you are there?
Yeah. Hi, Kanak. So basically,
can we see your face if possible?
no, there is some problem in video.
Okay, no issues.
So we met a lot of times, Kanak. So you know, so content was good, and whatever information we got was very important. I did lot of comparison in last 2-3 days on debt fund, okay, because of these sessions. So I'm little confident now. Whatever queries clients are on debt fund. So earlier, debt fund was a very critical part for me. So this session helps me now. Also, my key take is only learning is not helping. Implementation is main key. So whatever we learn, implement that. My request to all my IFA friends, implement all information you learn in this session, and so that you can whatever vision you put in a lot of people, so you can implement that vision also. So thank you, Kanak, and all the best to your team.
Thank you, Vikas, and thank you. Now we all are alumni of. Next is Partha Pratim. Partha Pratim.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for nice session. And one of my questions is that, I mean, 5 parameters you have told, like P ratio, MB ratio, RSI, and sir, technical moving average. 13 days. And last one, sir, I really forgot. Sorry for this.
Last one is FII's data. I will share. I have purposely kept it so that that is there. So that let me have somebody who asked it also. So that I have one more opportunity to come and meet all of you and share that with all of you. Okay, don't
sir,
worry. That data is little scattered and not available, but that is a very good data. We're trying to get that data in one place, but that is again one of the important parameters. It is again about FIIs.
Okay. And sir, one last question is, I mean, I would like to further resume the program like your organization is offering. How do I do and be a members of this community?
Welcome to the Volatility Coach program. I think that is a lifelong program wherein we have classes every month with experts and with various other people who are really experts in their field. The emphasis is more on communication skills and obviously product related stuff, technicalities also. Maybe we have some technical analysts coming, fundamental analysts coming, communication experts also coming and talking. And even I take a lot of sessions in between. So that happens every month. And then there are a lot of all the softwares which I showed you, there are small games and all. There are around 18 such softwares and games which you can actually use it with your clients, use it for colleges and presentations and investors meet and so many things like that. So that is a Volatility Coach program. So currently, just till now, it was only one-time payment like membership, 77,000, but you have done RVCC, so that can be reduced 10,000. So you have to pay 67,000. Yesterday,
lifelong.
Yeah, that is a lifelong. You did not pay anything after that. And you will have every day you will receive message which you can share it with your client. Every month you will receive bulletins and everything is templated. You can just make it in your name and share it with content and softwares and a lot of videos and all stuff you will keep on receiving. You can share it and you can grow your business. You can reach out to corporates, do programs, do games with them, do financial planning. And not only currently whatever tools, if in future, let's say we come out within next 1 year, 10 more tools. Like this lockdown, we are coming up with 3 more new games. So all this will come to you as and when that is coming. So that keeps coming and to you. And in that also, we have started an annual membership also if somebody is willing. But annual membership is 18,000 plus GST.
Yeah. I
Our
have
life
seen that.
membership is that is today only that is we have started. Only otherwise that life, but the facility is same. Both the things are same.
Okay, to whom can I contact?
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, to whom can I contact?
Yes, you can connect with me after the session or my team.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Volatility coach means you are connected with me only. जैसे अभी हमारे next volatility coach आ गए. बोलिए बॉबी जी.
थैंक यू सर. बस मैं थोड़ा सा एक्चुअली काफी मेंबर्स ने थोड़ा सा वोलेटिलिटी कोच के बारे में लिखा था कि क्या है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा उसका फीडबैक देना चाह रहा था कि मैं कनक सर के साथ 3 साल पहले जुड़ा था और कनक सर ने हकीकत में अपना इंट्रोडक्शन जितना यहाँ दिया है, शायद अगर हम लिखना शुरू करें तो शायद किताब भर जाएगी उनके इंट्रोडक्शन से. ये एमएफआरटी के मेंटर भी हैं. अगर आप गूगल पे एमएफआरटी करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि एमएफआरटी का क्या है. मैं मिला था और टच हुआ कि इन्होंने बहुत कुछ सिखाया. हम इस सेशन से पहले कुछ प्रोग्राम डेली बेसिस भी किए हैं जिसमें सर ने हाउ टू यूज डिजिटल सिस्टम बहुत चीजें सिखाई हैं. मैं मतलब अपने दोस्तों से यही कहूंगा कि हाँ जरूर, मैंने अपना नंबर शेयर भी किया था, फिर भी अगर आपको कोई मतलब ऐसी चीज समझनी है आप मेरे को फोन कीजिए, मैं आपको डेफिनेटली बताऊंगा. बट हाँ, वोलेटिलिटी कोच डेफिनेटली आप अवेल कीजिए, इसका आपको बेनिफिट आने वाले लॉन्ग टर्म में पता चलेगा. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bobby ji. You have all the loving energy as usual every time.
Thank you, sir.
Still मेरा आपके अंबाला आना बाकी रह गया अभी भी.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल. पिछली बार आप रह गए, अगली बार नहीं.
Sure. और next is Ravi Kant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Sir.
Then Devesh and then Sanjay and then Shyali. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for this great session, sir. I'm new to this field. I'm in this field for last 1 year only in the financial field, but I'm doing insurance for last 3 years. And I wanted to join a course which can enhance my knowledge, and I got that knowledge from this course, and I would like to join you in future also. And thank you for this great session.
Good. Great, Devesh. The best is yet to come. और अभी तो शुरुआत है. Good. Next, Ravi. Next is Devesh. Devesh.
Yes, sir.
Bhavsar. Yes, Devesh. बोलिए.
हाँ sir. Good evening. This is Devesh. So it was nice session hearing you. And actually, I am also working in financial field from last 3 to 4 years. And बहुत सारे concept भी clear हो गए. And it will help me in future choosing mutual funds and all other products. Thank you, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. So after Devesh, we have Sanjay. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good.
सर मैंने आपका एक ये प्रोग्राम अटेंड किया पूरे 9 days. आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू यू. और इससे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना बढ़ गया है कि नाउ आई कैन मैनेज माय इन्वेस्टर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली एंड इन अ वेरी गुड मैनर.
Very nice.
थैंक यू सर.
Welcome. Shyali.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful 9 days for packet session. I always had that thing in my mind that I'm from non-financial background. I'm from IT computers. तो मुझे ये नहीं आएगा, ये नहीं जमेगा. But 9 दिनों में आपने इतने आसानी से वो समझा दिया है. And now it has boosted my confidence like anything. So thank you so much again. और आप हमेशा ऐसे स्माइल के साथ इतना मस्त सिखाते हो सर, तो बहुत मजा आता है सीखने में. और कोई ऐसा सेशन आप अरेंज करेंगे तो बिल्कुल हम ज्वाइन करेंगे.
Sure. Next is volatility coach है, लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोग्राम है. अगर आप लोगों को लगता है नेक्स्ट 1 महीने में प्लीज बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम.
I'm definitely going to do, sir. Last time भी जब आप अमरावती आके गए मुझे तभी करना था.
अच्छा, you are from अमरावती.
Yes. I'll do that definitely.
अमरावती में से तो आपके हटानी जी हैं. He is extremely doing well.
जी सर.
चलो, next is Gautam Dhara.
Yes, सुनाई दे रहा है सर? हेलो
है सुन रहा है।
many thanks for this program sir. Hello
है yes Gautam da, please tell.
हेलो
Yes, we can listen. बोलिए.
मैंने पहले को हम बोल रहे थे कि आप पहले देखे पुराना था, इसलिए जब शुरू में ऐसा तो चाहे किक पास करके मास्टर डिग्री में घुस गए, ऐसे लग रहा था। धीरे धीरे क्या बोले एकस्टम हुआ, अच्छा लगा। तो मेरे 2-3 सवाल मैंने जो लग रहा है, तो आप थोड़ा सिली क्वेश्चन भी होगा तो आप थोड़ा पूछ रहे हैं यहाँ पे। जैसे इसका कोई रिव्यू प्रोग्राम होता है सर?
रिव्यू प्रोग्राम?
हाँ,
रिव्यू मतलब
क्योंकि हमको इस फील्ड में काम कर, मान लीजिए जो हो रहा था, मीटिंग सेमिनार अटेंड किया, लोग से फीडबैक सभी लोग हम सभी में लिखते हैं, इसका तो रिव्यू होना चाहिए। जब हम लोग कल्चर में रहेंगे ना, ये हट जाए, हम लोग फील्ड में काम करते हैं, ये बिना कल्चर में नहीं रहता है। मेरे जो रियलाइजेशन है एक तो कोई रिव्यू प्रोग्राम होता है, नहीं तो दूसरा जो आप बोल रहे हैं जो इसका नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम है वोलेटिलिटी कोच, इसका अलावा कोई रिव्यू प्रोग्राम होता है क्या?
वोलेटिलिटी कोच का तो लाइफ लॉन्ग चलता है, हर महीने चलता है, एवरी मंथ, और ये नेक्स्ट 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, it will continue to run. It's like that only. It's like every day morning you will receive a message. Every week you will receive a review. Every week, every month you will receive a video. And not only that, hamara video, rather I also take videos and do lot of activities because we have tie-ups with Economic Times and Geo Business Digital Channel. So we try and do interviews with volatility coaches also, so that वो लोगों को भी एक माइलेज मिले, स्प्रेड कर सकें, शेयर कर सकें।
वो तो मिल रहा है, देख रहा है अभी।
कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं फोन पे, वी कैन टॉक।
सर और भी है, ये जो इसका सीएफपी प्रोग्राम आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर?
नहीं, सीएफपी के लिए बहुत सारा ट्रेनर्स है इंडिया में, यू कैन एक्चुअली कनेक्ट विद देम। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनर्स ऑफ सीएफपी, यू कैन कनेक्ट विद देम।
अच्छा। और जो
next is Swapnil.
Hello.
Yes, Swapnil.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yes, Swapnil.
Sir, good evening, sir. It is very wonderful session, and I must say thanks to you, and especially for your examples, and you have given all the example and then connected to the practical world. So it is very wonderful session, and especially the games part. So I am thanking you and thanking everyone, all the group members, for creating a wonderful environment.
Yes,
and looking forward to connect to you, sir.
Okay, really look forward, Swapnil. Which
Okay,
city
sir.
you are based from?
Sir, I am based from Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
इंदौर। इंदौर में है ककानी जी हैं हमारे वोलेटिलिटी कोच।
सर मैंने आज देखा था कोई सराफ करके एक नाम।
प्रबोध सराफ है, ककानी जी हैं, there are 2 people, और एक जगताप है, मिस्टर जगताप भी हैं।
ओके,
there are 3 people।
ठीक है सर, मैं भी कनेक्ट हो आगे चाहूंगा कि आपसे कनेक्ट होके और इसी चीज को कंटिन्यू कर पाए।
गुड, लुक फॉरवर्ड। इंदौर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सिटी। Ravi, and then we have Harish.
Hello.
Yes, Ravi.
Hello. Yeah, sir. Thank you so much, making things very easy to understand. And thanks to all team members. Thank you. And thank you, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund also.
Yes. Surely.
Thank you so much, sir, to making things.
Thank you, sir. Next is Harish Bhatia. Harish, you are there? Thank you, Ashish Modi, for writing this. After completing CFA, it was a very good refresher. Nothing better than learning and upgrading skills and knowledge. Learn more to earn. Thank you, Ashish. This is Harish. Harish, you are there? Ganesh.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Harish, what did you like?
Yeah, the content part is and the knowledge part is very clear in a one-centric approach, because that's most important the customer can see at the point of time. So I would like to thank you and definitely connect with your lifetime membership of Volatility Coach.
Thank you. Look forward. Thank you, Harish.
Thanks.
Next is Ganesh.
Sir, first of all, thank you very much for such a nice content. लॉकडाउन में इससे अच्छे 9 दिन और कोई नहीं हो सकते सर.
नवरात्रि हो
जो
गई.
समय हमने हाँ मतलब ये कह सकते हैं कि इतना प्रोडक्टिव तो वर्किंग डे में भी कभी नहीं थे जितना लॉकडाउन में हो गए हम. और थैंक्स फॉर ICICI प्रूडेंशियल, उन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया हमको आपसे जुड़ने का. और थैंक्स फॉर ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट जिन्होंने इतना बहुत अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट किया था. और कनक सर, वोलेटिलिटी जैसा टॉपिक जो बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए टेंशन वाला या कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रहता है, वो टॉपिक गेम्स में आ सकता है. ये सिर्फ बस आपसे ही पता चला हमको कि इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक भी गेम्स में हम सीख सकते हैं. और लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू कनेक्ट विथ यू. डेफिनेटली मैं वोलेटिलिटी कोच के बारे में सोचूंगा जरूर सर. आई एम बेस्ड एट औरंगाबाद.
Okay, Aurangabad. Good, Ravi. And Karnataka, yes, we have some coaches at Karnataka. Karnataka में Bangalore में we have, Belgaum में we have Datta Kanbargi, and Mysore में we have DN Prasad, and Bangalore में we have 3 coaches. Shrikant Matrubhai is there, and Lakshmipati is there, and Dipesh Mehta. These are the 3 people from Karnataka. Karnataka, morely, I think, maximum 5-6 people only. And from Raichur, yes, Raichur also great, Ganesh. Thank you so much. So next is Jayati. Jayati.
हेलो. हाँ जी सर, इट वाज अ वंडरफुल सेशन. एक्चुअली मेरे फादर ने मेरे को 3 months पहले बोला था कि यू मस्ट गो फॉर द वोलेटिलिटी RVCC कोर्स. तो दैट टाइम आई सेड कि नहीं पापा, आई डोंट हैव टाइम, कोई बात नहीं, बाद में करते हैं, देख लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं. नाउ दिस लॉकडाउन में कोर्स करना वाज लाइक, नाउ आई एम रिपेंटिंग कि मैंने 3 महीने पहले क्यों नहीं किया. थैंक यू.
समय से पहले आगे से अधिक कुछ होता ही नहीं.
हाँ, अभी मैंने अपने पापा को बोला था, इट्स ग्रेट दैट यू हैव enrolled for this program. Thank you. It was a wonderful session. Thanks a lot.
Yes, from Goa we have 2 volatility coaches. One is Rajesh Chheda, जो कि 1 लाख रुपया चार्ज करते हैं क्लाइंट बनाने का. उनको भी हम लोग एज ए स्पीकर लाएंगे कभी. और एक है मिस्टर सेल्सो फर्नांडिस, डॉक्टर सेल्सो फर्नांडिस, जो कि 500 से 1000 लोगों का IAPs करते हैं. He is amazing. And Pune we have 5 volatility coaches. Nipa Khatri is there. Prashad Deshpande, Prashad Deshpande is there. Or Vijay Rangan is there. So quite a number of people from there. Aurangabad mein, yes, we have Jalgaon. No, not as yet. Nobody in Jalgaon. Punjab mein, yes, we have. Punjab mein we have from Chandigarh and Ludhiana. We have few, and Chandigarh also, Kalka से हैं. और पंजाब से ये हैं आपके बॉबी जी आ गए थे अभी. अहमदाबाद से, yes, we have Ahmedabad 3 people. नासिक में we have, yes, 1 in Nasik also. हिसार से कोई नहीं है. Kerala से no, nobody from Kerala as yet. From Tamil Nadu we have many, but not from Kerala. And अच्छा बॉबी जी सर हरियाणा से, सॉरी हरियाणा पंजाब में कंफ्यूजन. तो कुरुक्षेत्र नहीं, जयपुर से भी नहीं है अभी तक कोई. Yes, कोयम्बटूर से no, not as yet. We really look forward to all of you. आप लोग, you can all connect with me on my personal number also, and I think मेरा नंबर आपके पास I'm sure होगा. और नहीं है तो भी मैं उस ग्रुप में हूँ जिसमें आप लोग हैं. You can connect with me, and let's take it forward. Let's make this all learning fun. मेरा एक ही मोटिव है कि we can make learning fun, and just make it full of joy. बच्चों के लिए हो या फिर कॉलेज के लिए हो या डॉक्टर्स के लिए हो, it should be fun. Keep what's group. Yes, I will, at least for 1 month we will be alive, and we will all connect on social media also. LinkedIn में we all can connect with each other. And अभी एक प्रोग्राम अपने सारे वॉलेटिलिटी जितने भी RVCC alumni हैं उनके संग we will do with Naren and with Nimesh Shah also, so that we have little more insights. Yes, use all this knowledge for becoming a master IAP performers. Brijesh, you are there. Brijesh.
Yes, sir. Sir, very good concept, very good content, and I look forward to take participate in RVCC coach. I am from Dahod, Gujarat, sir. Very small town. We have tribal area here.
Good sir. बढ़िया है, गेम्स खिलाइए सर वहाँ पे.
Thank you.
अच्छा, जितना डीप में we can go, I think.
मी टाकले आता, प्लीज अनम्यूट म्हणून बघूया येते का.
Yes, Sudha Rajan, please. I have unmuted you.
Yeah, sir, I'm Madhuri Sundarajan. My husband has enrolled for this your course, and both of us, we are having ARN number. I am also actively participated. We are running our office for more than 30 years. We are trainers also. So, but I was not sure whether I will be in a position to attend or not and spare time. So I didn't register myself. But from first day onward, sometimes I used to come, and second day onward, I started taking keen interest, and it was so nice. And I also attended your session today. I have submitted my paper also. So I want to thank you that you have conducted this program, entire program in such a way. It was quite interesting. It was very useful and knowledgeable. So we can guide our clients in a better manner. So thank you very much. I want to just give thanks to you. Sir, regarding that certificate, if possible, tell me the procedure. I will do the needful.
Okay, sure.
I have submitted the paper. I got 96. My husband got 92.
My God. Okay, we'll connect.
Yeah.
So that's it. We are done. And how to get 10K volatility game live membership. So there is no 10K volatility. 10,000 is the fees for RVCC program. You have got it at a discounted rate, but 10,000 is the RVCC certification. So normally, volatility coach program में ये part है to become. Recently, earlier we were not having RVCC as a part of volatility coach program. पर हम लोगों ने फिर सोचा नहीं, अगर ये volatility coach नहीं करेंगे तो how you can actually become a volatility coach until unless you have done RVCC. आप justify नहीं कर पाएंगे. So this is why it is included now. But आप लोगों ने कर लिया है, इसलिए life membership से we will reduce that amount. Which means instead of 77, it will become 67,000 for you. Okay. And now you also have an annual membership of 18,000 rupees also. So please get connected. Go on the website. I will share the links and all. And look forward to remain connected with you all for rest of the life. And thank you so much. Until and unless हम लोग सब एक संग अच्छे से करेंगे नहीं तो होगा नहीं. And I think congratulations and all the credit goes to each one of you who have participated. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to everyone. Thank you. Stay safe. Enjoy the rest of the classes.